Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I just want to show you how I made these beautiful strawberries using almond bark. So this was my first time ever using the chocolate almond bark, and I gotta say, I fell in love with it. I did have to use a little bit of vegetable shortening to get a smoother consistency, but it actually tasted very good and I really enjoyed using it. And it's very important to cut your chocolate in smaller pieces just so it can melt evenly. And don't forget to use your plastic deli containers to melt your chocolate to avoid overheating it. And this was the consistency I got after using a little bit of vegetable shortening. Okay, and right here I'm just looking for the thicker part of the stem, and then I'm putting my toothpick in and pulling all the stems back so we can get full coverage. Some advice that I would love to give you guys is if you're gonna be using strawberries, make sure that you wash them like right before you're gonna be using them, and don't let them sit for too long because the stems begin to wilt really fast and it takes away from the look. So just make sure that you wash and dry right before you're gonna use them. So right here I just wanted to show you guys how fast the almond bark hardens. It's not like the regular chocolate that takes a while for it to dry. This one actually hardens really fast and it's easier to work with. So I wanted to add edible gold leaf to my strawberry, and I didn't realize how difficult it was to do it. So what ended up working for me is I put a little bit of water on my fingertips and then I put the gold leaf onto the strawberry. And now for my favorite part, the drizzle. So I use a Ziploc bag and I cut a really small hole at the end. Okay, and now I'm just removing the toothpicks and I'm putting my strawberries on top of mini cupcake liners. Okay, so right here I just want to show you guys how thick the chocolate is. I felt like it was perfect, but I really hope you guys enjoyed today's short tutorial, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!